Oh, YouTube. Well, today I'm going to visit Ohio Caverns, and it's billed to be one of the prettiest caverns in the world. So let's go in and take a look. There's two different tours. There's a historic tour which takes you in near the original entrance, brings you back up underneath the ticket area, the gift shop, and the Natural Beauties tour, which is around the corner. And I'm going to do both. Each one costs $19, but you can get both for $29. So what a deal. Let's go take a look. Now, they don't allow video in the caves, and that's mainly because people tend to, walk around looking at the screen and not watch where they're walking. So it's a safety issue. So what you're going to see now is going to be a series of still pictures taken throughout the cave, and I'll have it labeled which tour we're on. Well, that's going to end my visit, and I hope you liked it. They do have complimentary charging stations for electric vehicles, in case you wondered. And let's get on the road and see what I can find.